Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to set up an AutoCAD drawing on an A1 sheet using annotative text, dimensions and multileaders. Okay, let's see. First go drawing units, U and enter. Length type decimal, precision okay, unit set millimeters okay. Example drawing here. Now go annotation scale. Current annotation scale set 1 to 100. Now go annotate, click on this arrow, select annotative text, a text 5 mm text height, select, click on this arrow, select text layer, text green layer okay. Now go ground floor plan, type empty, multiline text, first corner, opposite corner, type ground floor plan, select text, underline, click here okay. Current view annotation skill set 1 to 100 okay. Again go text panel, click on this arrow, select text height, a text 2.5 mm okay. Go empty, multiline text, first corner, opposite corner, scale 1 to 100, click here, move element, select object okay. Current view annotation scale set 1 to 100 okay. Now go dimensions panel, click on this arrow, select annotative dimension style, dim 2.5 mm, select okay. Now go linear, repeat linear okay. This is annotative dimension okay. Current view annotation scale set 1 to 100. Now go section BB, go leaders panel, click on this arrow, select annotative multi-lead style, mul 2.5 mm, select okay. Go multi-leader, click here okay. Okay, click here, store water tank 2000 liters okay. Now go schedule, door window schedule. Now go text panel, select a text 2.5 mm annotative text style okay. Now go empty, multiline text, click here, numbers, click here okay. Move element, select object okay. Now change current view annotation scale set 1 to 20 okay. Now go foundation detail, go text panel, click on this arrow, select annotative text style, a text 3.5 mm, select, click on this arrow, click here, select normal text layer okay. Go empty, multiline text, first corner, opposite corner, detail of foundation, select text, underline, click here, again go text panel, click on this arrow, select annotative text style 2.5 mm, select, empty, enter, multiline text, scale 1 to 20, click here, move element, select object, move enter. Okay, current view annotation scale 1 to 20. Okay, now go dimensions panel, select annotative dimension style dim 2.5 millimeter. Okay, go linear, click here, 305, continue dimension. Okay, exit. Current view annotation scale set 1 to 20. Go leaders panel, select annotative multileader style AML 2.5 millimeter. Go multileader, click here, brick wall, click here. Okay, again go annotation scale, current view annotation scale set 1 to 500, select. Okay, now go side plan, go text panel, click on this arrow, select a text 5 millimeter text height style, go empty, multiline text, first corner, opposite corner, side plan, select text, underline, click here, again go text panel, click on this arrow, select annotative text style a text 2.5 millimeters, select, empty, enter, first corner, opposite corner, (1 to 500) scale. Okay, move enter, select object, repeat move. Okay, current view annotation scale 1 to 500. Now go dimensions panel, select annotated dimension style dim 2.5 millimeter. Go linear, click here. Okay, repeat linear. Okay, current view annotation scale set 1 to 500. Now go leaders panel, select annotative multileader style AML 2.5 millimeter, select, go multileader, click here, garbage bit, click here. Okay, now go new layout, click here, right click, page setup manager, layout 1, modify, printer name, select DWG to PDF, paper size ISO full bit A1 841 by 594 millimeters, select, scale 1 to 1. Okay, millimeters 1 okay, plot style, select monochrome, landscape. Okay, close, delete. Okay, now insert drawing template, A1 size sheet. Okay, now show annotation objects, turn on, go MV, first corner, opposite corner, double click into viewport, ground floor, select scale 1 to 100. Okay, double click here. Now go home tab, current layer change to def point. Okay, select viewport, select def point. Okay, again go MV, viewport, one to 100. Okay, click here, repeat MV, viewport, double click here, front elevation, scale change 1 to 100. Okay, click here, MV, side elevation, scale change 1 to 100. Okay, double click here, MV, double click here, select viewport, scale change 1 to 100. Okay, repeat MV, viewport, change scale 1 to 100. Okay, click here, repeat MV, viewport, double click here, septic tank detail, scale change 1 to 100. Click here, MV, scale change 1 to 100. Okay, double click here, repeat MV, viewport, double click here, foundation detail, scale change 1 to 20. Click here. Okay, MV, viewport, double click here, structural column detail, scale 1 to 20. Okay, double click here, again go MV, double click here, schedule select, change scale 1 to 100. Okay, double click here, MV, viewport, double click here, side plan, scale change 1 to 500. Okay, double click here, now paste it up. Okay, scale 1 to 100, scale 1 to 20, dimension size. Okay, multi-leader size. Okay, same multi-leader size, same dimension size, same text height. Okay, different scales, same dimensions, text and multi-leaders. Okay, A1 sheet, scale 1 to 100 and 1 to 20. Now paste it up. Okay, go plot, printer name okay, paper size okay, layout okay, scale 1:1, monochrome, landscape, preview okay, dimension size, text height, multileader size okay. Now plot, save, drawing okay. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.